Welcome back to my channel. Hola hola. So today I have another video. How exciting. I've been trying to keep on track with these videos because I just feel like, you know, this is what I like to do, so let's keep on top of them. So today I have a review on the e.l.f. concealers. I don't know if I'm gonna do both. Let's see how it goes while, you know, as I record. But the one that I really wanted to try is the 16-hour Camo concealer. So maybe I'll just do this one, or maybe I'll do one-in-one. Should I do one-in-one? Let's see. So if you want to see a review on the e.l.f. concealers, then please keep watching. As I sat down and was finishing off the face a little bit, I decided to do one-in-one just because, you know, I'll talk a little bit about both of them and tell you guys how I feel. So one is supposed to be a matte concealer. This is the 16-hour concealer, and they are both $6. Super affordable, and online you could get them with free shipping. e.l.f. always has free shipping, so that is a plus on e.l.f. And yeah, $6 is not bad. So I got both of these for $12, which is not bad. And this one is in medium neutral. I don't know if I got my colors because I thought I would be using these more in the summer because I do want to use up the concealers that I have. So I got them a little, you know, darker just for those reasons. So they may be a little bit dark right now, so bear with me. So I got it in the medium neutral, and let's see. The packaging is cute. As usual, e.l.f. has like that matte black packaging, and like this. See how it's matte? Usually that's how e.l.f. has their packaging. So this is how it looks, and it says it's 16-hour Camo concealer. So this is more on the matte side. It's supposed to camouflage those pesky spots and under eye circles with high coverage, crease resistant 16-hour wear concealer. And it has a doe foot applicator, and it looks like that. So this is a common applicator now. I think every freaking concealer now comes in a doe foot applicator, which is not bad because it just gets right into those areas. So, you know, I don't mind that. So then the other one is the Hydrating Camo concealer, and this one is supposed to camouflage these pesky spots and under eye circles with high coverage hydration and long wearing concealer. So this one is more of a hydrating one. If you're looking for a more hydrating concealer, I feel like now everyone's using more hydrating things just because we're trying to take care of our skin. You know, your skin tends to become dry and dull and all that, so hydrating products, you know, bring out the glow and all that in your face. So I think this is a plus as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the e.l.f. Camo matte one underneath the left eye, and then I'm gonna go in with the hydrating one on the right side. Another thing I noticed, this one is actually white. That's so weird. I guess they wanted to change it up. And this one also says it's a satin finish, which is cool. Hydrating one first, and I'm gonna go ahead. Oh yeah, you see how dark that is? I'm gonna have to go on top with a lighter concealer just to brighten up the eye, but I think for coverage it might be perfect, but I just may touch it up with a brighter concealer. And then this one is the matte one, and this one I think is a good color for me, so I think this one is perfect. So I do notice a difference immediately. This one is more creamier. You can tell a little bit, it has more shine to it, of course, because it's a hydrating one. This one is more matte, and it's not as, you know, for some reason this one looks thicker, and you would think the hydrating one was less thick, but the hydrating one looks a little bit thicker. I don't know if it's because I applied more on that side, but so far this is how we're looking. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that out, and I have a eggshell brush, and this is like the perfect concealer brush for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out the hydrating side. Okay, so it's dark, but it's not bad. Wow, this concealer has coverage. This is insane. It really does have coverage. I know people were saying that these concealers have super coverage, and it is true. I immediately noticed how much coverage it has. And I didn't apply I usually go in with a corrector. I didn't apply a corrector today because I wanted to see how it really works just with the concealer. I do have foundation on, of course, but I don't have a corrector. You can wear every day, and if you want that glowy look, if you want that hydrating look, you could wear the other one, and then the other one if you want that matte look. Oh my god, they are insane. I don't see any creasing as of yet. I do, like I always say, have these lines under here that are inevitable. So yeah, I don't see any creasing. Like, creasing for me would be here, and I don't see that happening. Under here, that's inevitable. It'll always happen because I do have like weird big eyes that always crease. I do see that it left a nice satin finish. It is beautiful so far. So then I'm gonna go in with the matte side and let's see how that blends. I absolutely love the color of this matte one. It is, I think, a beautiful color for me to brighten up the eye. So I'm probably gonna go on top on this side with the matte one just because I need a little more brightness. But it blended out like a dream. The coverage is insane, and it wasn't fast drying. To be a matte concealer, usually matte concealers are fast drying, and you know, they just dry super quick. Like the Fenty one is one that you just apply and it dries too quick. It doesn't give you that time to actually let it sit on the face and, you know, blend it out. No, it dries automatically. So for this being a matte concealer, that's a plus on this. It is not fast drying. It blended out like a dream, and the coverage is insane. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, so far so good. I'm loving both of them. For the price as well, you can't beat that. $6. Amazing. I did hear with the matte one, it is amazing, but it creases. And sometimes it's over drying from some girls that I follow. But honestly, I don't think that's gonna happen to me. Maybe it's because I am consistent with my skincare. If you're not consistent with your skincare, you cannot, you know, think that matte things won't over dry your face, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I have to finish my face to see which one I like better. So I'm gonna finish up the face, and I guess I'll be right back with my final thoughts and let you guys know what I think. Hi everyone, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. It will be up on my Instagram, and if you want to see a tutorial, maybe I can put it up here if you want to see it. So yeah, let's get back to our final thoughts on the e.l.f. concealers. So on the e.l.f. concealer, so far so good. The coverage is insane. I just feel like it is amazing. I don't see any caking. This look like took me like an hour or so, and I don't see any creasing. I don't see any caking. It's just amazing. I honestly gotta be real with you guys. I don't see much of a difference between both of them. I do see a little bit of hydration, I guess. Maybe it's because of the powder that I use. The Dragon Beauty powder is so amazing. So it mattifies the skin so good. But maybe within the hours, I will see, you know, that maybe this one is a bit more hydrating. But so far, I feel like they do the same thing. I'm not gonna lie. And honestly feel like it is worth the $6. So worth it. I honestly am very impressed. I was a little bit, you know, like, should I really purchase it, you know, because I'm picky with my concealers. But honestly, if you are in a rush, or if you're looking for a good concealer for everyday wear, I think this is the perfect concealer for the price as well. I feel like, you know, if you have like $22 concealers that you really like, I think you should save those for when you go out or when you have like special plans. But concealers like this that are $6 and that are, you know, really good with good coverage and things like that, I think this is a good thing to have for, you know, everyday wear, and it is a good price for concealers, so you're not gonna be balling and spending a lot of money on concealers. So I honestly do recommend buying these concealers. Like I said, I don't see any creasing. The coverage is amazing, and honestly, I am impressed. Check them out for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.